So you're here to service your Nabtesco air dryer. Hopefully you've got your service kit ready to go and you haven't already taken everything apart. Servicing any air dryer, dump all the air in the system by pumping the brake pedal as many times as you can until nothing comes out. Take off the case, put the bolts inside and clean off all the crap. Keep all of your new O-rings clean and together. Nothing is labelled, so you have to size match them all. I'm using Parker O-ring lube because nothing comes in the kit either. You're taking the desiccant case off, just be careful because it is spring loaded. Apply pressure when you're taking off the cover because you can strip the threads on the aluminium housing. It's very important to take note on the order that everything comes out. Once you've got the lid off, find a suitable container to dump all your old desiccant into. Then put everything back in the reverse order you took it out. So put in your filter screens, your filter grates, then your desiccant, all back together again. When you fill this back up, you don't need to use the whole bag, they give you more than you need, so it's going to take a little bit to get that level just right. Take some out if you have to. When you put this O-ring back on, make sure no desiccant balls are stuck around the O-ring surface. Once you've got your desiccant back in, put your lid back on, make sure to hold down quite a lot of pressure to put that spring back down and all those screws back into their holes without stripping anything. The kit I've got is basically a full rebuild kit on the air dryer assembly, but what I'm doing is just servicing the actual air dryer canister. That's good. Take the base off, take out the alfoil, screen, filter, silencer, whatever that is, do the O-rings and replace all that stuff. This one was a bit gunked up, so I just scraped off that gunk to make it a fresh surface again. With the new O-rings and screen, you can bolt it back down again. Last little tip is when you're putting the air dryer canister back down, make sure the holes line up correctly on the O-rings. If this video helped you, help me out by liking and subscribing. Thanks guys.